Hello, beautiful people. Today we're hanging out with this spirit animal community. Yeah, I know. Super cute. For those that don't know me, hi, my name is Kayla. I'm a channel. And the way that I channel, the way that I work varies based upon what's needed. And it kind of just like feeling the moment out. And I was just out here by myself and song was coming out and it was just like frequency stuff, whatever. And I said, I'm going to hit play. And we do like a full, like we get more information from them at the end. But basically this is like 5 minutes of channeled frequency, right? It's like frequency work, sound, light language, etc. All in the name of what they were talking about the most was like letting go of anything, that's disallowing you from just kind of like falling into oneness. Like, honestly, they were like, we are the same. Like, anything that we're holding on to, why is my heart freaking out? Anything that we're holding on to that's not letting us just like, whoa, doom, doom, doom. And honestly, I'm feeling more in it now, and I'm just going to kind of retell it. What they go into at the end is talking about how they were basically saying the spirit animals right now are being of particular service to us, but they also were the animals of the earth. It's kind of confusing. That sounded condescending. You just wouldn't get it. I don't get it. That's why it's confusing. But they were talking about how right now spirit animals are being of particular service. So like pay attention to which animals you're feeling connected to. What are you seeing a lot of? Look up what they might mean spiritually. Feel into them. And I talk about this at the end, but I cut myself off. Okay. Sometimes spirit animals will come through in sessions. And I just had one this morning, and it was like, so it's like that in dreams, whatever. Pay attention to the animals that you're seeing, but also animals will come through and they will literally say, like, I am an aspect of you. Like when we're talking to this person, if someone's having an issue with this, XYZ, an aspect of them will present themselves. In this case, she won't care. It was like a cheetah presented itself and was like, I am you. I am an aspect of you. Call me in. Choose to embody me, and I can be of support with that. Like, we are not separate from these things. They are aspects of us. And I think especially because spirit animals, the animals of the earth, what we are moving into is allowing for ourselves to remember that we are one with the earth. We are all interconnected. And so they're just saying that they're helping with us in that remembrance of that right now, letting go of anything that's making us feel separate from that of the earth, from the animals, from whatever, XYZ. So if you're into that sort of thing, this is like 5 minutes of channeled light language, adjustment, frequency, shifting. Just feel into it. Just vibe, okay? Here we go. Right away, I'm seeing a Black Panther, which is very interesting. They're showing me stuff for like balancing. This side. Rotoreshaya, retetaya, ratesaya, oretetishkraya, ratekoroto sorearate, rotoreteya, retetaya, reteraya, rate toreshiarate, riarate, ratearai, retesiai, bruruturi. retesaya ratetosh, mratagrasa ratetaya rateto shukru retesaya, retesaya ratetor shukoroto reteyaya, retesaya rateto so reteshai rate. Retesaya rateto shukru retegrasa ratetasha ratetia, retesia la ratetosho retetai, Mratesa retegrasa retegrakra rutusur shikraya ratetal retishikraya ratetal rutusukru retesha ratetal retesa retegrasa retetushorea retetia retesia retetoshorea retesa retetasha retetoroto reteshia reteta retetasa reteta retetasha retesia retetashala retusur reteshia retetala retegrosso cru retesha reteta retetaya retesala rate torosho uriti arai uriti sayare aratei Retesaya, mretesaya, mbrutusuretishkrata kraya rate, retesai, rotusuretishia rate, retiskraya rate torotusuretishkraya rate tala, rete shukru retetai, retesai, mbretesai, mbretesai, mbretetataya, rete shukru retesa retetala, rete shukru retesaraya, retesaya, retesaya, urutu shukru rutusuretetaya, retesa rate tarate tarashaya rai urataso. Urea ratesai, retetaya ratetoso reteshgraya retetai, retesala, reteshkro, retekortesa retetia retesi, ratetasa, reteso reteshai, retesa retetai, retesagrataya rateto reshia ratea ururi, ritia ratea rai, uretetai. Retesai, reteshai, retetai, retela, rete, retesa, retetai, retetore, retegrai, retetia. This was very much, I don't know what I would call like the spirit animal realm. There was also myrrh. So this is basically just channeling different frequencies from different energies that wanted to be of support. There was a lot of like help with letting go of stuff. Our energy was being utilized to coincide with the readiness that you are all feeling, the anticipatory energy that you are feeling and sensing that is upcoming. So we were working to offer our, I don't want to say elementals, but it was almost like the animals of the earth, also some oceans, they were allowing for us to feel into their oneness, to become, because that's how we let go from any, that's what's most supportive in allowing for like the what's to come to take hold. Letting go, surrendering, like becoming one with the all was sort of the energy of what they were doing. They're saying there was also balancing. But they're saying like balancing is part of, is what is also what's supportive and allowing to let go. When you're in a state of balance, you can easily let go into the all, into oneness. When it's out of balance, there's a restoration of balance that's needed to occur first before the letting go into the restoration into oneness can easily occur. We would also like to talk about the heightened states of awareness that are being activated and anchored into individual's experiences at this time. We are working to be of support with this. Again, this feels like the spirit animal community, or like the collective of animals of Earth. Yeah. Okay, my ground's buzzing. Okay, what did you want to say? Rutusai. There's like a leader representative, not necessarily a leader, but there's a specific one that wants to step forward. Is this going to be English or? We are being of particular support at this time. The imagery that you see, the animals that you happen to notice are signals, are symbols. They are informative bits of guidance or advice that can help you in the journey, individual journeys that you are each experiencing. They can assist you in the process of letting go. Okay, this is so interesting. I almost wanna, guys, just so everyone, if I can just be honest about something here, my Chiron is in Virgo in my 10th house. I have a tendency to be a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to how I'm being perceived, or like needing it to be accurate from my whatever. And then also like with career or whatever. So now I'm like, oh, I want to redo this now that I understand what's going on. But no, we're not doing that. This is just from the spirit animal community. Okay, sorry, what did you guys just say? We are working with you all very closely in this time. And they're saying like Ohana. Like we are family. We're all family. They're talking about the design of certain animals being that you're attracted to, that you keep seeing. It's like frequency based upon your own inner coding and what's needed. It's like all very intricately designed to be like, oh, that's connected to a tiger. Oh, that's connected to this. And so trust the intuitive nudges, visions, visuals, either in here or externally around you, the animals that you're feeling connected to, because they are helping you very intentionally right now. Like this is a very designed thing. They can be of support to you, and they're also not separate from you. Like we all have quote unquote spirit animal aspects. I was just doing a session for someone in this like cheetah form came through and was like, connect with me. I am you. Like I can help with this, but connect into that aspect of you that is me. If that makes sense. Very interesting. Okay. Cool. Well, I guess that's it. Love you. Bye.